Welcome to ABB's Global Solution Center Czech Republic, the location where we develop arc welding, laser welding, spot welding and laser cutting applications for our customers. We test variety of welding and cutting procedures at complex parts in our state-of-the-art equipped laboratories. Findings from these activities are later on shared among other locations from all over the world to ensure feasibility of our proposals. That is how ABB can ensure delivery of standard and proven solutions globally. This location is also preparing us for the future by development of new products and solutions such as jigless welding, flexible production concepts and modular production concepts. Come with me and check it out.